Hello guys, so in today's video I will be explaining to you how the tight range trading setting works. So let's and also you will be seeing how the trailing stop works. So let's start by choosing the trading system that I will be using to trade this strategy. I will be trading based on this ATS indicator. So what I will do, I will wait for a false breakout when we have like a false breakout like this one, and then we know that this is our liquidity line that should be taken, and this is going to be our stop loss. So we start by drawing the levels, like this is the buy and this is going to be the stop loss for it. Okay, so let's start. And we are risking $100 per trade. This is a 100K account, so we are risking 0.1%. So I will let it run, and every time it will go below, let's say the stop loss is hit, every time it will go above this one, it will buy again. I will let it attempt this 3 times. So I'm willing to risk every time $100, so in total $300. So let's let it run, and let's activate. Now I activated this line until if it's off, then if it will go up above this line, it will not buy. But now, because I turned this on, now it's active, it will work. So let's let it run. So as you can see here, the stop loss, here the entry, and now it moved the stop loss automatically to break even plus 1 pip. This is in the settings I have as well, and this is our target for 1 to 8, and as you can see, every time it moves, it trails the stop loss by an R. So we are always protecting our initial entry and our profits. So this is a good example how this will work, and as you can see, it hit the target profit. So this is exactly what we are looking for. And here, as you can see, the target was achieved with $800, and the maximum drawdown, the absolute drawdown from the initial capital was $60. So this was like a very good example how this works. Now here the maximum drawdown, the relative, these are not important in this one for a very simple reason, because this means that when we had like a profit, this is from the profit. So we had like a high profit here and it went down from the profit. So it's not from the initial capital. So this doesn't affect how we work with prop accounts. Okay, so this is especially made for prop accounts. If you have any comments, please put them in the comments section below. Thank you.